Turkish Airlines said it intends to purchase 40 of Boeing's 78-79 Dreamliners, a long-awaited deal that signals the carrier's rebound following a terrorist attack on its Istanbul hub last year. When finalized, the order would be valued at almost $11 billion before the customary discounts for large aircraft purchases. The pact, unveiled during a brief signing ceremony in New York late Thursday, came after years of market studies and negotiations for wide-body planes as the airline plotted its expansion. Boeing's carbon composite Dreamliners will help upgrade Turkish's fleet of long-range aircraft as it competes with other Middle Eastern airlines amid slowing growth in the region. The carrier's expansion would hasten President Recep Tayyip Erdogan's goal of making Istanbul one of the world's premier air travel hubs. The airline already has 75 Boeing 737 MAX jets on order, according to the planemaker's website. Turkish plans to shift operations from Istanbul's Ataturk airport to a new hub, which is due to open next year. "It's very exciting for them, and it'll open so many new gateways," said Marty Bentricht, Boeing Vice President of Sales for the Middle East, Russia and Central Asia. "These airplanes are part of that growth plan." Boeing climbed less than 1% to $257.90 at 9:42 a.m. in New York. Turkish was little changed at 9.25 liras. The deal underscores continued interest from the airline industry in mid-sized twin-aisle aircraft, even as sales taper for planes that seat more than 400 travelers. Boeing has landed 82 firm orders for the 787 so far this year. The total could swell if the Chicago-based manufacturer formalizes additional commitments such as the one for 8 787 Dreamliners announced by Malaysia's Prime Minister Najib Razak during a White House visit this month. Production increase citing the sales pickup. Boeing CEO Dennis Muilenburg recently announced plans to speed production of its Dreamliner by 17% in 2019. The 14-jet monthly pace would be a record for complex twin-aisle aircraft like the 787, which is Boeing's most advanced. It would also give Boeing a competitive advantage over rival Airbus SE by opening more delivery slots for the sold-out jet. The European planemaker has been gradually stepping up output of its A350 after early deliveries were disrupted by late cabin equipment. Turkish, officially known as Türk Hava Yolları AO, has sought to take advantage of Istanbul's historic role as a global crossroads linking East and West. Persian Gulf carriers such as Dubai's Emirates Airline and Doha-based Qatar Airways have pointed the way with international networks built on connections through their home hubs. The Istanbul-based carrier for a time mulled ordering Airbus SE's A380, the super jumbo favored by Emirates, or Boeing's humpbacked 74-78 jumbo. Those foreign planes have fallen out of favor as airlines bypass large hubs to connect smaller cities directly. With the Dreamliner agreement, Boeing also pledged to work with the Turkish government to accelerate the growth of the country's aerospace industry. The initiative outlines a strategic framework aimed at bolstering research, engineering and skills development for Turkish carriers, service companies and suppliers.